Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make double sliding doors for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin the tutorial with a 16 by 32 stud base plate. You can use any size you wish. And on the middle left, I'm going to set down a pair of 1 by 6 plates. Next, let's set down 4 2 by 4 flat tiles. These are going to be used to smooth underneath the door and to keep the door onto the base. Now I want to continue on with a pair of 1 by 6 plates. In these two areas, a set of 1 by 2 by 2 corner flat tiles and 2 1 by 1 by 2/3 slopes. You want the slopes facing upwards. The reason being is these are going to be the stops for the bottom portion of our track, and we're going to smooth tile these two areas with a pair of 2 by 4 flat tiles. Now I want to build up the bottom portion of my windows, so I'm going to set down 4 1 by 6 plates on the previous 1 by 6 plates. Take 8 1 by 4 by 6 frames. I'm going to set a piece of glass inside the frames, and I want to set these right here. We're going to need to make 8 in total. I'm going to take 6 of our window assemblies, place 3 on the left and 3 on the right. You can use anything for your walls. I decided just to go with a window facade. Now I want to take a pair of 1 by 2 by 2 corner plates. I'm going to place the corner plates in like so, to where the 2 stud portions on the inside, those are going to be our stops, and a set of 1 by 10 plates to lock together all our windows. Next, place a set of 1 by 8 plates on both left and right hand sides, right on top of the 1 by 2 by 2 corner plates. For our door, start with the 1 by 4 by 6 frame with glass insert. I'm going to set down a 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 plates on the bottom. And for the top, a 1 by 10 plate. Set down a 1 by 2 flat tile. On the left hand side, we're going to set this on the top. This is going to be our left-handed door. Now for the right door, take a 1 by 4 by 6 frame with glass insert. We're going to set a 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 plates on the bottom. And for the top portion, take a 1 by 10 plate. Let's set down a 1 by 2 flat tile on the right hand side. And I want to set this on this portion of our frame. Let's set in our left-handed door and our right-handed door. Now let's build our header. For the top track, take a 2 by 8 modified plate with track. I'm going to set down a 1 by 8 flat tile on the right hand side, and we're going to slip in another 2 by 8 plate with track. And set down 2 1 by 6 flat tiles on both sides of the 1 by 8 flat tile. Now I want to flip this over. I want to strengthen up the underside of our frame and track with a 1 by 8 plate. Setting in our header is pretty simple. I'm going to put the 1 by 8 plate right inside the opening, and we're just going to press all this down. Make sure your doors are inside this track piece, and I want to finish this up with a pair of 1 by 6 flat tiles, the top portion. And there's our double sliding doors. They do open up. Even the inside is all nice and clean. The only obstructions you have are these 2 slopes here. Other than that, though, you could set some nice merchandise in there. That's how they work on the inside. And if you want to open up one at a time, the stops for the tiles will prevent these from going in further.